Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to share about our business referral network meetings. You are supposed to come here and promote your product or services. That means you have to come, stand up, share about your product or services to get referral. That means the people who are members, suppose you got a plywood shop or jewelry shop or a sweet shop or you into advertising. Most of the members, they may need your service, so they come to you, and for that you must keep come and attending our meetings on every Saturday from 9 to 10:30. If you can give me this 90 minutes for the 9 weeks next, I guarantee your business for 9 weeks. You give me, because it needs time to build trust. People should be able to trust you that if you're not coming today, tomorrow you're not coming, how can they give you business? So what is more important to get a business? Is trust building. Being our members. So as if you are having a team of 25 people promoting your products or services, and you also promote theirs. So it's a win-win platform. And it's a must, time is very important. So punctuality is very important. By 9 o'clock, the meeting starts. So please be here by 8:30 so that you can have also networking with the group members. By 10:30, meeting is over. So in the meeting, you stand up and share about your person. You have to make your presentation. So you improve your presentation. Then also, I'll be also having a half an hour business coaching, how to promote your product or services, how to get into people. So how to improve yourself to be a confident person. So you carry your business with you. So they first see your appearance, then see your confidence in your communication. So once the trust is built, they just keep on pouring in. And I ensure that I'll make sure you get enough referral business to become a successful entrepreneur. And the first time you can come attend the meeting by paying only $199 through online. You have the link. So you get this booklet which is called $299 free in this $199. But on the spot registration is $500. So better register online and become a member and see the changes in your personality, changes in your business for improvement. Once in a week for 90 minutes. So can you invest for yourself to grow your business? So I hope to see you every Saturday and this Saturday also by 9 o'clock. If you can come by 8:30, great, so that we can have more discussion. Thank you for watching this video and please forward to your friends. Moreover, suppose you're into insurance. Let's imagine you cannot ask your friend, you may feel embarrassed if you say no. So you can invite your friends who are into business, they come to promote their business and you also promote your business. As you share about your product services, even your friends may need the business. And you also take the product service what your friend also promoting or they have to offer. So when you come up early morning by 9 o'clock on Saturday, it shows that how serious about your business. And it's a win-win platform. I help you, you help me. And we got this U-shape to sit and come and share. You got also this stage podium. You got a small stage podium so that you can come and share about your product service. In the process, you get feedback from our members, how are you communicating, and you improve your communication as a public speaker. You remove your stage fear, because only way to be a confident communicator, public speaker, to practice. So you get this platform to practice. Thank you. Look forward to see you on Saturday by 8 o'clock. No, by 9 o'clock. Thank you. Take care. Bye.